The headlines are screaming. China shocks America. A technological tsunami is rolling out of the east, and the world is holding its breath. Forget the slow, steady march of progress. This is a lightning strike. While America was debating, China was building. While we were arguing, they were innovating. Now the results are here, and they're impossible to ignore. The question isn't if this changes everything. The question is, are we ready for it? Imagine dawn in Shanghai. The Bund glows with 1,000 new technologies. A silent supercar glides past. Drones patrol the skies, managing traffic with near-human intelligence. Humanoid robots walk among the crowds, not as gimmicks, but as assistants, guides, and workers. This isn't a movie set. This is China's new reality today. This is a direct challenge to American leadership. It's not just about gadgets. It's about who writes the rules for the 21st century. For decades, America set the pace. Silicon Valley was the heart of innovation, but we got comfortable. We got complacent. And while we slept, a dragon awoke. China didn't just copy our playbook. They wrote a new one. AI, autonomous systems, and a bold vision for the future. So let's get real. What's happening? We'll look at 3 key areas where China isn't just catching up. They're threatening to pull away for good. Humanoid robots that could redefine labor. Smart cities that make ours look ancient. Supercars leaving Western competitors in the dust. This is the story of a nation's meteoric rise and a wake-up call for America. The game has changed. Are we ready to play? Let's break it down. The world is watching. The stakes have never been higher. The future is being written now. Let's argue about it. Let's talk about the robots. Meet the Unitree H1. This isn't a prototype. These robots are walking the streets. Nearly 6 feet tall, the H1 moves with unsettling fluidity. Walking, running, climbing stairs, carrying heavy loads. Its creators see it handling logistics, disaster relief, even elder care. Imagine a factory in Guangzhou, staffed by H1 robots working 24/7. No breaks, no fatigue, no mistakes. Or a disaster zone, where robots search rubble for survivors, mapping and clearing debris. This isn't science fiction. China is deploying this technology now. The H1's 3D LiDAR and depth cameras give it 360-degree perception, processing millions of data points per second. High-torque motors power its joints, mimicking, and sometimes exceeding, human capabilities. Its AI brain learns and improves with every step, sharing data across a network of machines. When you see an H1 in a Shanghai plaza, you're seeing the future of labor, emergency services, and daily assistance. This could fundamentally change our economic and social structures. China isn't just building robots, they're building a new kind of society where human and machine collaboration is the norm. And they're doing it at breakneck speed. The question for us, what's our answer? Are we ready to compete? The future workforce is already here. The world is watching. What will we do next? America isn't a bystander in robotics. We have Boston Dynamics and their iconic Atlas robot. Atlas does parkour, backflips, and complex routines, impressive headline-grabbing feats. For years, Atlas was the gold standard, proof of American ingenuity. But is a backflip a business plan? Boston Dynamics has focused on research, pushing boundaries, but commercialization has been slow. Atlas remains a costly research platform, not a mass-market solution. Meanwhile, China's Unitree is laser-focused on commercial viability. Robots designed to be affordable, scalable, and practical. Their goal: get robots out of the lab and into the real world, fast. America has the world's most athletic robot. China is building the world's largest robotic workforce. Who's really winning? The country with the best prototype, or the one integrating thousands of robots into its economy? Boston Dynamics proves American innovation is alive, but Unitree's rapid deployment suggests China is winning on implementation. This isn't about tricks, it's about who will dominate the industries of the future. Right now, the momentum isn't on our side. The race is real. The stakes are high. Are we ready to catch up? Let's move from robots to the ground they walk on. Xiong'an New Area. You may not have heard of it, but you should. It's China's laboratory for the future of urban living. Built from scratch, Xiong'an is a smart city with a digital twin. Every building, road, and tree modeled in the cloud, updated in real time. City managers simulate traffic, predict energy use, and manage emergencies before they happen. Roads are embedded with sensors for autonomous vehicles. The city is optimized second by second. Automated drones handle garbage collection only when needed. This isn't a dream, it's happening now. China is investing hundreds of billions, attracting top talent and tech companies. Xiong'an is a showcase for Chinese innovation and a model for the world. It's green, tech-driven, and designed for the future. The blueprint for tomorrow is being built today. What's America's answer to Xiong'an? The truth, there isn't one. We have smart city projects in places like Columbus, San Francisco, and New York, but nothing on China's scale. Our approach is fragmented, city by city, tangled in politics and slow-moving partnerships. While we debate, China builds. Our infrastructure is aging. We're layering smart tech on top of old foundations. China starts fresh, integrating digital and physical infrastructure from the ground up. America has the innovation and tech giants but lacks unified vision and investment. Competing with China would require a digital moonshot for our cities. Do we have the political will? Right now, the evidence says no. The gap is growing. Let's shift gears, literally. China's auto industry is producing some of the world's most advanced electric supercars. The NIO EP9, for example, once held the Nürburgring record for fastest electric car. 4 motors, over 1,300 horsepower, 0-124 ampere in just over 7 seconds. These cars compete with, and sometimes beat, legendary European hypercars. But it's not just about speed. Chinese companies are innovating with battery tech. NIO's battery swapping system lets drivers get a full charge in under 3 minutes. This tackles range anxiety and charging times head-on. Chinese supercars are smart devices on wheels, packed with advanced software, AI, and seamless connectivity. The user experience is years ahead of many Western vehicles. China's dominance in consumer electronics is now shaping the future of the car. The car is no longer just a machine, it's a platform. The rules of the road are being rewritten. The world is watching. Are we ready to keep up? Where does this leave the US? Detroit is in a painful transition to electric. Ford, GM, and Tesla are investing billions. Tesla created the modern EV market, but legacy costs and slow change burden American giants. Meanwhile, Chinese startups like NIO and XPeng move fast, think like tech companies, and take big risks. Chinese brands dominate their market and expand globally, competing on tech and price. The global auto landscape is being redrawn. Detroit's challenge isn't just Japan or Germany, it's a tidal wave of high-tech, affordable Chinese EVs. Can American ingenuity adapt fast enough? The race is on, and the lead is shrinking. The roar of American muscle is being challenged by the silent surge of a new electric dragon. Let's pull back. Humanoid robots, smart cities, electric supercars, 3 fronts in the same war: technological supremacy. This is the defining rivalry of our time, a new kind of Cold War, measured in patents and market share. China's approach is unified, government, universities, and companies all moving in sync, making colossal bets like Xiong'an. America's system is a chaotic symphony, brilliant but often disjointed and slow on big projects. We excel at disruptive innovation, but lack a central strategy. China is a disciplined orchestra. We're a collection of soloists. This rivalry forces a hard conversation. How do we compete without sacrificing our freedoms? Can we unite government, industry, and academia in a common purpose? The challenge isn't to become China, but to become a better version of ourselves. We need to invest, streamline, and rebuild with vision. We're in a race, whether we like it or not. The world is watching. Are we ready to answer the call? The verdict is in. The world has changed. China's rapid advances in robotics, urban planning, and EVs are a direct challenge to a century of American dominance. This isn't about predicting the future, it's about facing the present. The balance of power is shifting fast. Automation, smart cities, and new cars will change your job, your city, your life. Complacency is no longer an option. The blueprints for tomorrow are being drawn in Beijing. For the US, this is a moment of truth, a call to action. We need a national vision for technology, infrastructure, and education. Our ability to innovate isn't in question. Our will to act is. We must answer with results, not rhetoric. This competition could spark a new wave of global progress. The era of unchallenged American tech leadership is over. The ball is in our court. The world is watching. Let's get to work.